What's up, everybody? This is SS Alpha here, coming back at you with another video. Today's video we're gonna review GFuel's generic marshmallow bird. Yes, I know this came out maybe a month or two, maybe 3 ago. And I'm sorry, I'm barely getting to this flavor because work-wise. So let's get started. So shaker, open it up. Well, I kind of got to start opening it up a little bit, but see, open it up. I know it's been really hot because I'm not gonna lie, it's been really hot. So I kind of, if I actually kind of look out of it, I apologize because the heat gets to me real quick. Ooh, it smells like kind of smells like marshmallow or Peeps. Kind of smells like those marshmallow Peeps. Let's see, it's not white, like a purple-ish color, but it's okay. It's not that far. Oh, broke up the clumps. Just got a shaker. Yes, I had this in the fridge. I put it in the fridge last night just to make sure it stays cold. Here's the itch part. All the powder gets stuck in the scooper. See, okay, put it in. Cap that. Just cap it. I'll twist it. Put it away later. Oh, I put a little too much water. I put a little too much water in here. Let's see. And shake it. Like a pink color. I don't know if this may be a water-sized dairy drink. So that's what it looks like. It looks more like a dairy drink than it is for water. Notification. See, okay, like a pink color. Ooh. Okay. Smell more like I don't know, I'm getting like a mixture of smells in here. But taste test. Whoa, yo, this thing tastes like this tastes like actual marshmallows. Tastes like actual marshmallows. This is pretty good. Tastes like actual marshmallows. Well, I'm pretty sure it would taste better with milk because since it's marshmallows, it'll probably taste better with milk. Yeah, this is more like a milk-based mix. I think water. See, I would rate it maybe. I'd probably say 8 out of 10 in water. I haven't tried it with milk. I'm pretty sure it'll probably have a higher rating with milk. You can see I don't have another. Well, I do have another shaker, but I wasn't prepared to do. I wasn't prepared to do it 2 out at once. But honestly, this is really good. Eight out of 10. That's what I'm giving it. 8 out of 10 with water. Pretty sure with milk. Pretty sure with milk would be 9.5. So I think overall, I would give it like 8.5. Like what, 8.5 to 9 overall. So I highly recommend it. So yeah, so this is gonna do it. Make sure smash that like button if you did. Smash that like button. Comment down below on your thoughts. And subscribe to the channel and turn on that post notification bell to be notified when I upload new video content, so you don't miss out. So this is gonna do it, and see you guys on the next video.